Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Vivek Kumar Anand. In this lecture we are discussing Nmap advanced technique. So here I will show you how to fragment the packet and how to change the MTU size, maximum transmission unit, how to change that MTU size. So let's see. So start with the Nmap fragmentation first. So for the fragmentation you need to choose -F. Okay, so -F, then your IP, target IP 192.168.131.128. Let me capture that packet. So here I am capturing those packets. Start capture, then hit enter on this command. So here you can see all the ports are open. You can see these number of ports are open in front of you. So let's stop this. So can you see here, if even I will select TCP.port equals to 80, then fragmented packets are there. So it means it is working on the fragmented packet. So if you will select here and you will see total number of packets, okay, and IP, you can see here identification flags. Okay, so you can notice down here IPv4 fragments. So you can notice here this term IPv4 fragments. So it means this packet is divided into multiple fragments, multiple packets. So this technique actually will help you to evade the firewall. If there is some firewall, if there is some IDS, then this technique can evade those tools, okay, or devices. If there is like IDS is there and you know that, so definitely you will not be able to check the ports are open or not. So you can use this fragmentation technique. Okay, so fragmented packet will be transmitted. So you can see fragmented IP protocol, fragmented IP protocol. So this will help you to bypass the firewall or the IDS. Okay, so this was the one. Next we are going to discuss MTU, change MTU size, how to change the maximum transmission unit size. Okay, so let me restart it. So first let me show you what is the original MTU size. So 192.168.131.128. so hit enter. Okay, so what is the original MTU size? So stop it, okay, and check original MTU size. Here go to this frame. So what is the actual frame size it is going to transmit? That is a 58 byte. You can see frame length equals to 58 bytes. So I need to change this. Okay, so how I will change this? So let's see this. Okay, so continue without saving, stop it. Okay, then type command nmap -MTU. Okay, nmap -MTU. Then you can even put any size, whatever the size you want to give. So you can put 25. Okay, then is your target IP. So what is your target IP? 192.168.131.128. so let's start capturing. Okay, so capturing has been started. Okay, restart. All right, so enter it. Okay, so MTU size should be actually multiple of 8. I made mistake. So even you can put any like 8, 16. So let me put it 32 then. Okay, so enter it and it's done. So you can see here what is the MTU size. So let me show you. Okay, so frame length, that is 42 bytes this time. Okay, so definitely frame length has been changed. So you can change this frame length actually. So maximum transmission unit will be changed this time. Okay, so you can variate this through this command. You can use this command nmap -MTU. Then you can put it anything. Okay, so even let me try one more. So this time I can put it as 16. So continue without saving, capture it again, enter. So let's see what is the frame length. This time it is again 42 byte. Okay, so you can see even we are changing this continuously. So you can try this with the help of actually MTU, when there is some firewall that is capturing fixed size of, because Nmap generates actually 58 byte of MTU. Okay, so if there is firewall, that firewall understand that some Nmap command, someone is trying to scan some ports on this server, so definitely firewall will block that request. So what you will do, you can change the MTU size, and you can definitely bypass the firewall or some device. Okay, so again you can use this command. So I hope this lecture is and I will discuss some more techniques in the next lecture. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and share my channel. Thank you.